Dearest friends, you know you can't take care of others unless you first take care of yourself. That is why I make the time to relax, reflect, and recharge. I begin by turning off all electronic distractions. Then I fuel my body with cold-pressed kale juice and triple certified organic cucumber slices. Now, with my cells properly fed, it's time to engage my higher self. Hey kids, Sam here. This was the part of the video that was supposed to have awesome examples from classic kung fu films of metal clanking on metal, overly exaggerated cloth sounds, the things that help make classic kung fu movies so awesome. The unrealistic moves coupled with the unrealistic sound effects. But unfortunately, all the companies that I reached out to get permission to use pieces of their videos, their movies, just didn't grant me that permission. Okay, which I respect. So I'm not going to use any, given the current environment with, I don't want to risk a copyright strike or fair use misinterpretation so that my, video gets claimed, copy strike claim. I just don't want to risk that in today's YouTube environment. So, sorry, I'm not going to use it. And we're just going to have to make do with our imagination. Let's begin. I bought a few motion-activated toys online to dissect them for the juicy bits I'll need. There it is, the tilt ball switch and sound chip. I don't think it's an Arduino module or something like that based on how it looks, and also because I can readily hear the ball rattle back and forth as I move it. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, please and thank you. Time to get smaller. As you can see, for my first attempt, I connected the module to a power source with a built-in on and off switch. Not a terrible first swing. Maybe we can do a little better. I don't have a smaller speaker, but I do have a way to make the power supply smaller. Moving in the right direction, but I think we can push it a bit more with different button batteries.
You're gonna hit it, I believe in you.
You get the idea. My hope is that someone with actual skills in this stuff makes this happen. Motion activated sensors, triggering different sounds based on direction and speed. Totally doable. Hell, take it a few steps further and you're walking in a field of smart materials. Imagine clothing tied to a map app that silently, gently constricts directing you left or right. We can do that sort of stuff. Maybe you're the one who makes it happen. There's no reason not to bring the amazing into existence, right? Until next time, thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. Be well. Be you. Thanks.